Hello, welcome to Viva's Lifestyle. Today let's learn about cooking words. B for boiling. Let's boil water. P for pouring. Let's pour water in the mug. S for a slice. Let's cut vegetables in a slice. B for bake. Let's bake a cake in the oven. G for grill. Let's grill some vegetables. F for fry. Let's fry finger chips. P for peel. Let's peel potato. S for simmer. Let's cook curry. M for mixing. Let's mix chocolate flakes in pudding. W for washing. Let's wash vegetables. B for blending. Let's blend fruits to make juice. R for roast. Let's roast dry corn to make popcorn. R for refrigeration. Let's refrigerate pudding.